Measure your weight loss success. Janet will provide us some insights. Go ahead, Janet.
I am Janet of TOP Center. Meal prep success measured. 9 ways to gauge progress in your weight loss journey. Starting a weight loss journey and getting serious about healthy eating can feel super exciting and scary at the same time. One key thing that helps is keeping track of your progress so you stay motivated. In this post, we'll talk about 9 awesome ways to measure success with meal prepping for weight loss. Understanding these different yardsticks will empower you to make adjustments, celebrate wins, and keep your eyes on the prize. Scale these non-scale victories, more than just numbers. The scale has always been the go-to for monitoring weight loss, but while your scale weight gives you data, it doesn't tell the whole story. Putting too much focus on the numbers can be frustrating and make you feel discouraged. Instead, be sure to celebrate non-scale victories too. Non-scale victories are any positive changes that have zilch to do with your weight. This can be stuff like having more energy, less joint pain, better sleep, steady blood sugar, fitting into smaller sizes, increased strength, and just feeling better overall. Shifting your attention to non-scale wins allows you to see that the scale number is only one limited measure. By also noting how you feel, how your body performs, and how your clothes fit, you get a more complete view of the real progress you're making daily. Appreciating non-scale victories reinforces the positive stuff and can keep you motivated in the long haul. Consistency and routine, the backbone of your progress. Building a steady routine is so key for successful meal prepping and lasting weight loss. Irregular dieting and constantly changing plans make it hard to see real progress. Start by realistically mapping out meal prep routines that fit your life. This might mean prepping 3 simple meals 2 days a week or doing big batch cooking 1 day a week. Commit to sticking to your prep routine consistently for 2 to 3 weeks. Don't think of it as a short-term fix. This is about creating sustainable habits. After a few weeks, check in on your consistency. Have you followed your meal prep plan most days? Track your adherence like ticking off items on a checklist. Prepping healthy eats consistently gets you closer to your goals and makes the process feel doable long-term. Pay attention to how consistency and routine give you more energy, control, and confidence. Tracking your meal prep consistency diligently allows you to make informed tweaks while keeping the big picture in mind. Energy levels and mood, your body's inner feedback. Your energy and mood provide super valuable insight into how your diet is impacting you. Instead of only relying on physical measurements, tune into your body's inner feedback system. Take note of your energy at different times of day. Do you feel pumped and productive after certain meals, but sluggish and drained after others? Do you get energy crashes midday from skimping on breakfast? Linking energy changes to your food choices can motivate healthier meal prep. Also pay attention to how your mood corresponds to meals. If you feel grumpy, irritable, or down after eating, your diet may need some adjustments. However, if you feel calm, motivated, and upbeat, you're likely fueling your body well. Remember, food provides energy. Noticing increased energy, stamina, and positive mood shows your meal prep is working. Listening to your body's signals helps you tweak your diet to achieve peak performance. Physical changes. Tracking your transformation. While the scale number offers obvious input, also focus on the physical changes happening. Documenting visible transformations can be super motivating. Take progress pics every few weeks and compare them side by side. Is your waist looking trimmer? Do your legs and arms appear more toned? Are your cheekbones becoming more defined? Use a measuring tape to track inches lost around your waist, hips, chest, arms, and thighs. Record measurements at regular intervals. Seeing the real results in your photos and measurement numbers reinforces that your meal prep is paying off. It also helps you identify problem spots to target. Don't forget to celebrate milestones like dropping a clothing size or being able to wear an old favorite again. Your changing body will show that all the hard work of eating right is so worth it. Don't forget to celebrate milestones like dropping a clothing size or being able to wear an old favorite again. Your changing body will show that all the hard work of eating right is so worth it. Strength and endurance. Rating your performance. If your weight loss aims include getting fitter, gauge your progress by looking at stuff like strength and endurance. Improved physical performance shows balanced meal prep is benefiting your workouts. Document your workout stats, times, weights, reps, sets. Do you have more endurance for longer cardio? Are you lifting heavier? Have your interval training times dropped? Is your heart rate recovering faster between sets? Review these markers every 4 to 6 weeks. You may be pleasantly surprised by the boost to your gym performance. Give your meal prep partial credit for powering you through tougher workouts and faster fitness gains. Don't underestimate small wins like having the energy for an evening walk or strength for extra reps. Your kitchen meal prep lays the foundation for achieving fitness goals. Health markers, the science behind your progress. For an objective look at your health improvements through diet changes, get regular checkups on key biomarkers. Improved cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar give scientific proof your meal prep plan is effective. Schedule a physical a month or 2 into your new eating routine. Discuss tracking relevant health markers with your doctor. Optimal targets will vary based on your age, goals, and medical history. Seeing measurable changes in health metrics affirms you're on the right track. While losing weight may be your priority, lasting diet changes provide the greatest benefits by reducing disease risk and optimizing well-being. Consider getting blood tests done every 2 to 3 months. Let the numbers from impartial health assessments give you confidence that your meal prep positively impacts your body from the inside out. Clothing fit. Your wardrobe's progress report. Your wardrobe offers a simple, handy way to track weight loss success. How your clothes fit provides insights just as valuable as measurements. When starting meal prep for weight loss, take stock of your closet. Make note of pieces that feel too snug or uncomfortable when worn. Trying these on weekly is an easy way to monitor change. As your body shape transforms through healthy eating, you'll notice clothes fitting better. Items that once clung too tight will loosen up. Needing a smaller size shows tangible achievements. Beyond clothing size, notice how you feel in your outfits. Moving with ease rather than feeling restricted is a win. When your clothes flatter your figure, you'll carry yourself with more confidence. Let your wardrobe showcase your hard work. Mindful eating, improving your relationship with food. Succeeding in weight loss goals requires changing not just what you eat, but how you eat. Practicing mindful eating promotes a balanced, sustainable relationship with food. Tune into physical hunger signals like a growling stomach. Eat slowly without distractions. Pause mid-meal to check if you're satisfied. Stop when full. These simple mindful eating habits allow you to be more aware of what you're taking in. Equally important is examining your emotional connections to food. Do you eat from stress, boredom, frustration? Mindful eating means building self-awareness around urges to eat for reasons besides physical hunger. Paying attention trains you to differentiate emotional versus physical hunger. You can then address the root issue rather than overeating. With mindfulness, you'll learn to intentionally enjoy food in a way that nourishes you. Lifestyle adjustments. Integrating health. While nutrition is key for weight loss, also look at how meal prep creates positive ripple effects in other parts of your lifestyle. Lasting success requires a holistic approach. Evaluate how your food routines give you more energy and motivation to move. With nourishing meals fueling you, you may feel inspired to walk more, play sports, or take exercise classes. Even small increases in activity further your weight loss. At the same time, being more active makes healthy eating essential. When diet and exercise feed each other, the changes stick. Beyond fitness, consider how thought patterns, stress, sleep, and relationships are impacted. Get creative about ways meal prep can drive change across all aspects of well-being. The role of seafood in your meal prep journey. Incorporating seafood into your meal prep offers a multifaceted approach to weight loss and overall health. By choosing local and sustainable options, employing healthy cooking techniques, and practicing portion control, you can maximize the benefits of this nutrient-rich food group. The journey from ocean to plate is not just a culinary adventure, but also a pathway to better health and effective weight loss, no matter where you reside in the nation. So dive in, explore, and let the transformative power of seafood positively influence your health journey. In the end, the transformative power of seafood extends beyond its nutritional profile to encompass environmental stewardship, culinary exploration, and a deepening understanding of how food choices impact our bodies. As you navigate your weight loss and meal prep journey, let seafood be more than just a menu option. Let it be a catalyst for positive change. By making thoughtful choices about the seafood you incorporate into your meal prep, you're not only taking steps towards a healthier you, but also contributing to a more sustainable and balanced ecosystem. This makes the journey from ocean to plate a fulfilling experience in more ways than one, enriching not just your diet, but your life as a whole.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.